What's up everyone, welcome back to this channel. Now part of the mission of this channel is to improve the relationship between human and tech, and a big part of that is the relationship to your phone. And in this video I'll explain to you why deleting social media apps was not enough for me to get off my phone. Now we probably all spend too much time on our phones, and it's time to take that time back. One drastic step I took, because I couldn't do so otherwise, was just deleting any social media app. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and seeing how it goes. Now that was a quite drastic step, and I do spend the majority of my time on my phone using social media apps. But what happened is I actually replaced the time that I spent using social media with playing games or doing other stuff. So I didn't actually reduce my screen time that much. It was about 20 minutes a day, but I did spend around an hour on Instagram a day, which was a lot. Now I did manage to reduce the time spent on my phone by a little bit, but not as much as I expected to. And overall it was still pretty much. So instead of 3 hours and 40 minutes, it would be 3 hours and 20 minutes. And what happened can be explained quite well using the bus example. Now imagine using public transport to go to work, university, your school maybe, and you're checking your phone and you don't see any social media apps on there anymore. No Instagram, no Snapchat, no Facebook. So what you're doing is you either put away your phone, which is quite unlikely, or you're trying to find something else to do on your phone. So I ended up playing Pokemon Go or Candy Crush in these situations. I don't even enjoy playing these games, but I need to do something because I was used to using my phone in these situations. So what needs to happen to actually make a change is to break those habits and doing something completely different than using your phone. One solution I found was bringing a book, which would allow me to consume information or entertainment by using a different device than my phone. I didn't have to pull out my phone, and I really made the habit of reading that book whenever I was on the bus. Now there's two more options in my opinion that came to my mind in order to combat this problem. So the most drastic one would be to leave your phone at home entirely or turn it off, which was not an option for me because I need it for navigation and also to factor authorization at work. Another way would be to listen to podcasts or audiobooks, which would be considered useful time on your phone, but you really have to make the connection in your mind to always listen to podcasts and audiobooks on your phone while you're on the bus or the subway, and that can be quite hard. Another thing I realized was I spent a lot of time on WhatsApp, which I didn't do before. I was just checking for new messages, seeing if I could contact someone even though I didn't need to. And that was another example of me just replacing the time I spent on social media apps. I don't consider WhatsApp to be a social media app, but more of a messenger. But that was really surprising to me, and it helped me realize I was just replacing my time with something else because I was used to spending time on my phone. Now to sum it up, the key to spending less time on your phone and on social media is to completely replace screen time with something else which is useful to you, and breaking the habit of using your phone in every situation. Another useful resource you can look into is a Yes Theory video on a related topic, where they go through examples of replacements for screen time that you can do, and also have a very interesting interview with a scientist on social media. Anyway, that's been it for me today. Leave a like down below if you enjoyed this video. Also leave a comment on how you think about screen time and social media. Have you found any other ways to replace your screen time with something else? Let me know. See you next time.